Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm talking all about this gorgeous Addison backpack from Andar. All right, before I get started with the review and packing video, I wanted to thank the company Andar for reaching out to me and sponsoring today's video and sending over this Addison for me to pack up and review for you guys. I have been loving this backpack since I got it. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this review. I've kind of teased it a little bit over on Instagram, but this is a brand new item to the Andar company. It is the Addison backpack. It comes in two different colors. It has this camel color, or there's also like a jet black option, which is really pretty. It is made out of 100% full grain leather, and you guys know I love my leather bags and totes, and this one is top of the line for sure. It smells so good. It's really soft and kind of gives the more that you use it. What I love about full grain leather is it's going to show a little bit of wear over time. It's going to show all the little scratches and imperfections. The color might even change a little bit on it, but I kind of think that that's the beauty of full grain leather. Like I said, this is the Addison. It is a straight up backpack. There's no crossbody strap, nothing like that. You have this awesome grab handle at the top of the backpack, and then on the back you have adjustable, really comfortable leather straps. You also have a hidden cell phone pocket back here, or for your wallet or whatever. If you're traveling, you can stick documents or passports or whatever back here in the back. So I love that feature. You also have here in the front a big kind of hidden pocket. You can't really tell that in the bag, but then of course, looking down on it, you do have a zipper and a very gracious pocket here in the front. So what I think I'm gonna do is set the camera down so you can see more of the bag up close, show you the features of the bag, and then show you what I have packed up inside. I love how simple and classic looking this backpack is. There's just not a lot going on with hardware and zippers and logos and all of that. It's just really pretty and clean here on the front of the bag. You have one big pocket and a nice leather zipper pull here. The zippers are made out of metal and they're really smooth. The inside lining of this bag is made out of a really soft microfiber down here. The back part of this pocket is still the leather that the bag is made out of. In this front pocket, you can really hold a lot. I just have things that I would need to grab for quickly, like COVID type things, like my wet ones. I also have my face mask in here. I have tucked down in the corner my Touchland hand sanitizer that I've been loving. This one here is, I believe, the citrus scent. So this is a really good one. Then I also have just tucked over here in this far corner, two little granola bars. These both are Z bars. They're actually granola bars for my kids that I am currently obsessed with. I love this iced oatmeal and this chocolate chip banana bread. So I always have them tucked down in there for either me or the kids if we need like a quick little snack. Also down in here, I have a small chapstick because I grab for that all the time. And I believe that's all I have tucked down in here, but you can see there's so much room in this front pocket. I also love the stitching on this bag and just how simple it is, yet it just kind of gives that old like leather feel. I can't say enough about it. I absolutely love it. On the back of the bag here, which I did show you briefly, but I want to show you this pocket up close. You have one hidden pocket and then a little bit more detail on the leather stitching. This grab handle is really strong and sturdy. I find myself using it a ton. This pocket here goes pretty much the entire, let me pull my cell phone out. That's what I have tucked back in there. You can fit any type of cell phone in there. I also will sometimes put my wallet back here. I've been doing that a lot, but this pocket goes all the way to the other side of the bag. So, I mean, it's a really huge pocket back there. You can pretty much fit anything. And then it's also lined in that same microfiber lining. Moving down into the top of the bag here, you have one zipper that goes the entire way across. Like I said, the zippers are super smooth. And then you have one big open area here. Now this bag will hold up to a 13-inch laptop. I was actually carrying mine in there. You can also obviously carry iPads or whatever, but it's kind of designed to hold up to a 13-inch. Sitting right here on top, I have my MZ Wallace key pouch, and in here is my wallet. It has a couple of card slots and cash and receipts, things like that. And then I also have attached to it an Andar little key leash. These are so soft and nice to just kind of have to grab and go your wallets. I also have my key on there. Then over here in the big part of the bag, I'll just kind of pull out what's on the inside. I have my Erin Condren Petite Folio Planner. I have been loving this so much. I can't wait to share more on this. It's just a big planner that holds all of the things for me. Then right in front of it, I actually have a small packing case from Lily Jade. And inside here, I actually just have all of my small essentials, things I might need for me or the kids, like little med things, hair ties, eye drops, lotions, scrunchies, travel scissors, just all that kind of small little stuff. So I have that tucked in there. You can fit any size of the Lily Jade packing cases inside here, and they're really nice because they're thin, so they coordinate well with this backpack. Then I also have just off here to the side of the bag down there a water bottle that I was drinking. You can fit any water bottle in there. I just happen to have like a disposable one that I was using earlier. And then I have my glasses tucked down in there. So that's everything I have, I believe. Yes. In the main bulk there of the bag, this back pocket here is a nice small pocket for you to put things that you want to keep a little bit more secure. I happen to have my son's cars in here only because I needed a quick spot to throw them. We were heading out to eat and I wanted just a little bit of entertainment for him. I also had a play pack down in here, but he used it and so I ended up tossing it. So that's everything I have in that back pocket. The back pocket is lined here in leather, and then the inside of it is that microfiber material. So moving on to the front side here of the backpack, you have two pockets, which are awesome to put things that you need to grab and not kind of be rooting on the inside of the bag for. They're perfectly designed for a cell phone or even a small wallet. I have a couple of pens in here and a Tarte lip gloss in this side pocket. And then over here in this one, all I have is a small little medium pouch from MZ Wallace. I recently shared this one, I believe in a past video, but all I have in here is my earbuds. These are big studio earbuds. And then down here at the bottom of this pouch, I have the charger for them and an Andar cord burrito. So these are great. I actually really love this particular leather color from Andar. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's almost like a light tan or blush color. But I love these little cord burritos because they can just hold your cords without them getting tangled in your bags. So that's what's down in there. And then attached over here to the side, you guys have seen this a million times. It's my Packed Party portable charger. They have a ton of different ones on the website. I'll link one below if you guys want to check it out. So that's what I had inside that pocket. And that is everything I have packed up in this gorgeous Addison backpack. I'll kind of show you guys the front of it. Let me show you the inside actually one more time with it all empty so you can really see how big it is. I love how soft this lining is on the inside and how easy this is to pack up. So again, I want to thank Andar for sending this over for me to try out and review for you guys. I will have the link to it below as always. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to let me know. I'll talk to you on my next video. Have a great day.